Sometimes life becomes heavy. People fight you, enemies rise, but God says, be still. Your peace is victory. The Lord will fight for me. I need only to be still. Now I'm Yanga Yaneta Jehovah Kadzula Vanane. No weapon formed against me will ever break my soul. Kulunkulu na mina aticha ofachitu. Be still, be still. God will fight your battles. Be still, be still. Be still. Kulunkulu zokulwela. Be still, be still. Be still. I cried many nights in silence, heart full of fear and pressure. People doubting my journey, but God said, I know your future. Mutwanganyamba badly, they can judge your journey, but God will fight your battles. All the closed doors will open. When my strength was getting weaker and my faith was running low, He whispered softly to my spirit, child, don't lose control. Stand firm and don't be shaking. God is bigger than my pain. No mazinto zinzima, kulunkulu indlela. Hey, the Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Nangwambilu yoyaneta Jehovah badoni netulusa. Oh, no weapon formed against me will ever break my soul. Kulunkulu na mina aticha ofachitu. Be still, muzimu vadoni lwela. Nkulunkulu zokulwela. When my heart is tired, usindichitoda ulicha. Onevari mani nyana, don't you worry, because I am with you. Yakola ku Jehovah, no mizinto zinzima. Every mountain before me will bow before His power. They laughed when I was struggling, now they watch me rise again. Daudi chiliti chamudzimu chifira mbilu mpita vatu. Red Sea before you, God will divide it. Giants before you, God will defeat them. Ungesabi, ungalili, mudzimu na inwi, kulunkulu steduze. Just breathe, just trust. Your miracle is coming. Your season is changing. Hey, the Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Hey, heaven moves when you're praying. God is working through it all. No darkness can defeat me, because His light surrounds my soul. Jehovah is my refuge, and He will lead me home. Be still, muzimu vadonwela. Be still, be still. Victory belongs to me. Be still, be still. Jehovah vadonilela. Stay faithful. Ungachiki. Victory is near. Prince Vhafuwi. Music.